Have you ever wondered how bicycles are made? It's a fascinating process that combines both art and science. Bicycles are amazing machines that let us travel on two wheels, offering freedom and adventure. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. They are made with many different parts, each meticulously crafted to ensure a smooth and safe ride. Making a bicycle is like putting together a puzzle. Every piece must fit perfectly to create a functional and reliable machine. It all starts with simple materials, such as metal sheets and tubes, which are the building blocks of the bicycle. Then, skilled workers and advanced machines transform these raw materials into precise components. Welding, cutting and shaping are all part of this intricate process. They make all the parts that a bicycle needs, from the frame to the smallest bolt, ensuring each piece meets high-quality standards. Each part has a special job to do, whether it's the gears that help you climb hills or the brakes that ensure your safety. This essay will explore the fascinating process of bicycle manufacturing, taking you through each step from start to finish. We will journey from the raw materials to the finished product, witnessing the transformation of metal and plastic into a sleek, efficient bicycle. Get ready to discover the secrets behind those two-wheeled wonders we call bicycles. Whether for commuting, exercise or leisure, bicycles are an integral part of our lives. Bicycles are made from different materials, each chosen for its unique properties and benefits. The most common material used in bicycle manufacturing is metal, due to its strength and durability. Steel and aluminum are two popular choices in the industry. Steel is known for its robustness and cost-effectiveness. Steel is strong and affordable, making it a favorite for many manufacturers. Aluminum, on the other hand, is lightweight and resistant to rust. Another essential material in bicycle production is rubber. Rubber is crucial for various parts of the bicycle. Rubber is used for the tires and grips, providing comfort and traction. The tires need to be strong and flexible to handle different terrains and conditions. They need to grip the road well to ensure safety and performance during rides. Some high-end bicycles use carbon fiber. This material is favored for its exceptional lightness and strength. Carbon fiber is very light and strong, but it is also expensive, making it a premium choice. Manufacturers carefully choose the best materials to ensure the highest quality and performance. They want to make bicycles that are strong, light and safe, providing the best experience for riders. The bicycle manufacturing process begins with the frame. This is the foundation upon which the entire bicycle is built. Without a strong and well-crafted frame, the bicycle would not be able to support the rider or the other components. The frame is the bicycle's backbone. It supports all the other parts, ensuring stability and strength. Each frame is meticulously designed to provide the best balance and performance. Workers cut metal tubes to the right size. Precision is key here, as each tube must fit perfectly with the others. Then they weld them together to make the frame, creating a solid and durable structure. Next, they make the wheels. They start with metal rims and hubs. These components are essential for the bicycle's movement and must be crafted with care. They use spokes to connect the rims to the hubs. The spokes must be evenly spaced and tensioned to ensure a smooth ride. Then they add the tires and tubes, which provide the necessary grip and cushioning. Other parts, like the handlebars, seat post and pedals, are also made. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the bicycle's functionality and comfort. They use special molds to shape these parts. The molds ensure that each part is consistent in size and shape, which is vital for the overall assembly of the bicycle. The precision in crafting these components ensures that the final product is both reliable and enjoyable to ride. Section 4. Assembling the puzzle. Putting the bicycle together. Once all the parts are ready, it's time for assembly. Skilled workers put the bicycle together, piece by piece. They attach the wheels to the frame. They put on the handlebars, seat and pedals. Next comes the drivetrain. This includes the crank, chain and gears. The drivetrain lets the rider pedal the bicycle. Workers carefully connect all the parts of the drivetrain. Section 5. Ensuring a smooth ride quality control in bicycle manufacturing. Quality control is very important. Each bicycle goes through several checks. Workers inspect the frame for any defects. They make sure the wheels are true. They test the brakes to ensure they work properly. They also check the gears and the shifting mechanism. They want to make sure everything is working smoothly. Only bicycles that pass all the tests are approved. This guarantees that each bicycle is safe and ready to ride. Section 6. Adding the finishing touches, painting and decals. Now it's time to add some style. The bicycles are cleaned and prepared for painting. They are sprayed with several coats of paint. This gives them a durable and attractive finish. After the paint dries, workers apply decals and stickers. These add the finishing touches to the bicycle's design. They might include the brand name, model or other graphics. Section 7. Ready to ride, packaging and distribution. The finished bicycles are carefully inspected one last time. Then they are packaged for shipping. They are put in boxes and protected with foam padding. This prevents any damage during transportation. Finally, the bicycles are loaded onto trucks or shipping containers. They are transported to bicycle shops all over the world. And that's how a bicycle is made, from raw materials to your local bike store.